5 money-making apps free in 2023 with PayPal for passive income wherever you are. Number 1. SERPclicks. SERPclicks is a service that helps website owners drive human traffic to their websites, and you can earn as a clicker and earn between 5 and 10 cents per click on this platform. Get paid for every click. It only takes 50 clicks for you. I am sure you've clicked on your smartphone screen more than 50 times a day to reach the $5 you've earned in your account and order cash. These are clips that could have earned you money if this program had been used properly. They allow registration from all over the world, and also once you start running, they pay you instantly via PayPal. Now getting paid to click on website is great, but you can get paid more by clicking and testing websites. Get more money by clicking and testing websites. You can do it in this app called FreeCash. FreeCash, they pay you up to $17 to best websites and apps on their platform. And not only can you get cash for taking survey, opening bank account, and much more, you can also get free cash because they make it very easy to earn money on their platform. They have many offers on their offer wall page, and some pay really well. There are offers that pay up to $17 just to try a game. There are other similar offers. They pay very well. These apps you download and test earn as much money as you can in this app. You can cash out to any payment method you choose. Crypto, PayPal, they have gift cards that you can choose from, and if you ever need help earning your account with free cash, they have an online form here on the website to help you out. But when you are there completing the offer and earning free cash, it is important to have some kind of passive, an income stream that is sent to you in the background. And for that you want to use programs called Pulse the Pawns that pay you just for sharing the internet connection. They use your connection to collect information from the internet to help companies that need these collect bits. Don't worry about the information of different services. They will never steal your provide information and pay you up to $96 per month, depending on the amount of data you have shared that month, which is a completely passive income. Make money in the background all the time and every month. Trust me, if you are not using a program like this, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Now I will tell you some tricks to maximize your income. You can also complete in-app surveys, as they will pay you more when you do so. Keeps the app running all the time. If you can realistically do this, you can accept to make between $20 and $50 a month in passive income using this. Repocket pays you for internet sharing, but you can earn up to $600 per month using their program. You can make much more money than you could with the previous program I introduced you to on your own. Just buy a laptop or a phone to use it to earn money with other money-making programs in this video. Of course, earn money more with the increase of your data consumption if you connect up to 10 devices to your account. you can share almost 10 times your income in repacket. Remote tasks. You should try remote job tagging images to voice transcription and earn more as the work gets harder to level up your skills. They accept people from all over the world in more than 90 countries, paid more than $15 million to their users. While I like remote work, that's because they don't just give you tasks to complete. They actually provide online and in-person training to help you learn more about how to complete your tasks from home, and also weekly through PayPal, or they pay RTM. And if you do a lot of lazy work, your speed is higher.